How to make a game of Roblox. How to create and make public games. There may come a time when one game cannot satisfy your need for creativity. Count on your experienced team for help. There is no limit to the number of contests a user can create. Still, each account can only have a maximum of 200 public games available for players at a time. If you want your game to be public or private, you can do the following. Public and private games are made using two different methods. When you make your contest private, all running games and server subscriptions will be cancelled. Method 1 is as follows. 1. On the top left side of the web page, click Create. 2. You can click Games if it isn't already selected under My Creations. 3. By clicking the gray or green icon underneath the title of the place you would like to make public or private, you can select the status you prefer. Anyone can play the game as it is public. The private setting prevents anyone, still, you see from seeing or playing the game unless it's an invitation-only game for a group. In which case, it's just the game will be accessible only to you and approved developers with game editing privileges. See the Group Games Help article for more information. Two methods are available. 1. Choose the game you want to play. 2. The game settings can be accessed by clicking the three dots icon. 3. Choose Configure, Displays, or Configure this game. 4. If not already highlighted, the Basic Settings tab can be found on the screen following the above step, regardless of which one you selected. 5. Then, click Private or Public under Privacy. A game that is available to the public can be viewed and played by anyone. You will be the only one who can view or play the game with private unless it's a group name, in which case it will only be available to you and appointed developers with necessary game edit permissions. See the Group Games Help article for more information. New games. Create the following. 1. On the top left side of the web page, click Create. 2. If it is not already highlighted, click Games in the My Creations tab. 3. By clicking the New Game button, you can create a new game. 4. Set up a new creation by choosing a template and settings. 5. To create a fun, click Create. This will take you back to the previous Create page. If you wish, you can make the game public now, or you can wait until you have finished working on it. You can start building a new game by clicking the Edit button to the right of its entry in your games list. Chat Style Configuration. It is possible to configure the way chat messages appear in-game at your place. Players will communicate with each other more effectively when playing your game with such flexible options. Modes of communication. Chatting within your place is available in two default styles. Traditional. Chat messages will be displayed in the upper left chat window of the default game screen. According to the message posting, the newest is at the bottom and the oldest is at the top. This allows players to talk to each other in real time in your game's world, regardless of their physical location. Floating bubble. Players who are talking will see chat messages displayed above their character heads. Conversations in your game are limited to players' physical locations through this feature. You can enable both chat modes simultaneously if you wish. Chatting modes. Default settings enable only classic chat mode. For information on how to reconfigure the chat system on Roblox, please see our developer article. Robotic Studio. In Roblox, Studio is a building tool that helps you to create the places of your dreams. Our developers have access to a more comprehensive and intricate set of tools, allowing them more control and creativity. Roblox Studio's features are accessible to users of all skill levels, from novices to experienced programmers. Many tools are available, from simple manipulations of terrain or objects to complex scripts and game functions, in addition to allowing you to test your games before uploading them to Roblox. Studio also enables you to create an isolated environment to try your game. How to enter edit mode. You can access edit mode by using the following methods. You can access the game's details page by clicking the three-dot icon above the play button. After selecting Edit from the menu, you'll be directed to the page with game details. This will need to be one of your games, or if it belongs to someone else, it must not be copy protected. You can edit a location by going to your Create section, finding the place you wish to edit, and clicking the Edit button. By choosing Open from the File menu in Studio, you can view a location saved on your computer. You can start a new project by selecting File, New. There is now a blank space where you can do nearly anything you want. In the tabs, a variety of different tools are available within the other tabs of Studio in quick clickable buttons. The following changes are listed below. Easy access to the home page is made possible by several familiar buttons. Modification and insertion of objects. These buttons allow you to insert and modify most of the objects within this model. You can use all the available tools to modify the terrain with terrain. You can use all the available tools to alter the landscape. You can test where your changes will work in the game by viewing the test section. The emulation section of this tab also allows you to see how your game might look on several mobile devices or TV sets. Displays or hides the different sections and windows of Studio. That's it for today's video. Bye!